still work.
Do you think this is a bad idea? I don't know what
My only thing is I don't know how close everything is in here, so I couldn't put nothing on the inside, but this will sit pretty much flush.
There's nothing.
I don't know how much clearance you got in here.
There's plenty of clearance.
So
the filter thing comes down in here,
mm-hmm.
and then there's nothing in here.
Okay.
So go ahead and explain what you were
So
saying.
what I want to do is 1/2 inch pipe. It's called a Phoenix flange. We'll bore a hole this size, so when we inset that in here, we'll be able to weld around this, which gives us stability, and on the inside. So I got 2 welds maximizing sealing so it doesn't leak.
And how thick is it?
This is really thin. This stuff here is only about maybe 40 thousandths thick.
Is that good enough?
It'll be fine.
Okay. How about inside here? You said you don't know how.
It's
much
not
is
going to
in
stick
here?
in.
You're only going to have maybe 1/8 of an inch protruding on the inside,
That's perfect.
which should not affect you. But what that's going to do is it's going to allow you that anything happens to the fitting on the outside, can unscrew it, chase it with a tap, screw in any hydraulic fitting you want to that matches a 1/2 inch pipe. You can come back to whatever fitting you want to attach your hose to.
This is a drain. This is what's going.
So this was the other option, because when I was described what you guys wanted, you wanted this fitting sticking out the side of this.
Oh,
And I'm like, if I do that, like this, anything hits or does anything to this seat, you got to pull the pan off, bring it back to somebody or do something and cut this fitting off and start over again.
The only thing we need, we're going to have the turbo,
this mounts
the
to
drain
the frame,
line, the drain line.
turbo mounts to that. This is just your drain line, bringing it back to the pan.
And the turbo sits up here a little
And you're going to soft flex hose this in so it's got vibration. You don't have to worry about vibration.
Exactly.
And that's it.
So that's what I want to do. I want to do this.
Yes.
The person that
You remember you did that bar for me, that welded,
Right.
cutting that hole in those.
So this is what I was explaining Peter, and he was like, that's why I called you guys. So
Good,
I wanted to make sure that this, if it was me doing it, this is the way I'd go 100% of the time.
Absolutely. I agree with you.
We were thinking about putting it draining right back in the engine, but there's no holes in the engine.
You'd have to take out a freeze plug.
Yeah, and they're too small. They're
too small. Yeah.
You need it free flowing because it's your drain. It's not a pressurized thing, so it needs to be big enough to be free flowing.
Exactly.
That's exactly right.
You got that right. Yeah.
So this is the exact same size that this is tapped into on this size.
That's perfect. You got it.
Okay.
You're one fart smeller.
I've been called better than that.
So we're at Sheldon's right here, Klamath Falls.
Sheldon Machine Shop.
What's your address?
515 South Broad Street.
You got a phone number?
541-883-3442.
And you are?
I am Tim Sheldon. I'm the one that owns it.
Oh, wow.
Oh, wow.
Nice
Got
to
the
meet
man.
you.